Hello, so this is the Minecraft comes alive. So we will find my my new perfect girlfriend. So here, this is my new perfect girlfriend. Her name is Aurora. So I'm gonna gift her an emerald. Thank you very much. If her heart is 100, I will give. Okay. Hello. Okay. This is amazing. Okay, I'm gonna give her. So, she's my new girlfriend. Girlfriend. She's my new girlfriend. So, follow me. Finally leaving this dump. Oh, come here, sweetheart. Oh, stay there. Only got an agent for the gifts. Okay, I'm gonna cut the trees for my new house. Oh my. Oh, it's getting night. Okay, so I'm gonna sleep. Hooray! It's gonna night. Dark bed. Okay. Um, oh, there's a zombie. What the? What? Oh my. Okay. Follow me, Aurora. Okay. Oh, she's teleporting. Congratulations. Oh. So, please enjoy watching for the part 1. And don't forget to subscribe, please. Please watch for the part 2. Thank you.